side body pain from head to toe. It did not allow me to live life just like normally, just like anybody or whatever. So I was living by the hour. So continuous there'll be pain. Continuous 27 days a month there'll be pain. Except for my menstrual cycle days, there won't be pain at all. So I was thinking hormonal. I was every you name it, everywhere I've gone, every treatment I've taken. I'm not a person who takes medicines, so I've never taken any medicines at all for this. Although they recommended, I did not take. It was primarily holistic, natural remedies. I was doing acupuncture twice a week for me to survive the week. Of course, I respect not many, everyone know Tamil, or maybe a wider audience. I'll go for appointment on Monday for me to survive the Tuesday. Immediately I have to go for Wednesday for me to survive the Thursday and Friday. Because the pain will keep coming back and it's extremely high pain that I will not be able to hold my cell phone on my left hand. I will not be able to hold my handbag, nothing, or laptop on my left hand. But with this, I've worked in big companies, small companies, medium companies. I've traveled everywhere on work, everything I've done because I have to live, I have to keep moving on. And I delivered last year. My baby is 10 months old. So this pain has been there continuously for 15 years, especially the last 10 years. It's been very high and it took me to a depression phase for 4 or 5 years. And then, so basically this was my life. I just couldn't do anything at all. And I tried gluten. I left gluten for 1 month. I left sugar for 1 month. I tried everything possible. It didn't work. Then my prenatal yoga teacher in Madras, I'm so blessed to just meet her, and through her she told me, Shiva sir, this is his number, please contact him and the rest he will take care of. As of now,
take care of the rest, huh?
So I was thinking, okay, this is also maybe another channel of so many people, crystal healing, everything I did. So I was going to Madras, met a person, crystal healing, through that. Okay, maybe this also, maybe another healing. Okay, let me try this also. அதாவது தமிழ்ல இது மட்டும் சொல்லிக்கிறேன், மனசு விட்டு போயிடுச்சு, லைஃப்லேயே மனசு விட்டு போயிடுச்சு. Totally gave up in life, about life. Because 15 years I tried everything. Oh, this person and maybe another healer. Okay, fine, என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க, சரி போனலாம், அப்படிதான் நான் வந்தேன். நான் honest சொல்றேன், I'm very honestly saying, I just okay, another person, like that only I came. Then afterwards, I got nice scoldings from sir. He was mentioning about the diet, what I should do, everything. At that point in time, I just delivered. I was breastfeeding my baby, so I couldn't do much. Shiva sir also knows that. So at that point in time, I slowly started. Then Ramesh, I think Ramesh sir is also here in this call. It was truly a blessing that I got the material on the 48th hour. He kept on telling that, okay, I think you're the only person who has received the material so at a very fast rate. So he got a 48th hour. He came home. I got the material. I still remember how I spoke to Ramesh sir. Again, like as though I was give up in life. So pain is coming. I'm not able to live. I'm not able to do my job. Nothing at all. I have a baby. Please, sir, give me some solution. I was literally that desperate for a solution of life for me to live a life, normal life. So I still remember how I spoke to Ramesh sir. He was very kind. He gave me all the instructions. I followed all the instructions. I followed whatever Shiva sir said, different kinds of healing. What happened? Then pain started going from the bottom of the body. The bottom half of the body, the pain started going. And the top half of the body, the pain was there. And then alternate day, the pain was going and coming. So for example, Monday pain was there, Tuesday it went off. Wednesday pain was there, Thursday it went off. This has never happened to me in life. So even that one day without pain itself, it felt like as though I got my life back. I was like, what is happening? Oh, changes, all these kind of changes, I've never had it before. And then I kept on calling. I was in continuous touch with Shiva sir. Because Ramesh, whatever Shiva sir says, just follow it. Just see if you can get in touch with him. I kept on asking for help and solution guideline. I was continuously following that. Then I still remember the date, October 17th. That's when my mother came. My mother landed. From October 17th, the pain completely went off. Till date, no pain. So he asked me to leave garlic. He asked me to leave gluten. Sir asked me to leave garlic. Sir asked me to leave gluten. And from his side, whatever had to be done, he did it. And from my side, I'm still, every day I'm reading affirmations, morning and evening I'm healing. And I've left gluten and garlic.
Okay, madam. Today we are doing allergy healing. Take your garlic and gluten. We'll remove your allergy.
I have to take the garlic and gluten? Okay.
You have to take it down with you. You hold it now. And we are doing allergy healing today at Malaysian time 10:30 p.m.
Today 10:30 p.m.
Yes,
okay.
Sunday. Yeah.
So for me morning, Sunday morning.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sunday morning. You take all your, whoever has got allergy, you can tell all your friends. Make them start reading all the affirmation first. Read all the affirmation. Hold it in the thing. I will give you instructions to everybody. I will remove whatever allergy reaction everybody has. Okay? But if anybody having a choking thing, then you don't eat it. Some allergies can be so bad, you start to choke and affect your breathing. So we don't want to. Not now. Hey, Ramesh, he's going to look for his garlic, I think. He went off offline. Not now. Malaysian time. Not now, my friend. Malaysian time today, Sunday, worldwide. Allergy healing.
10:30 p.m. Okay. I'll definitely
10 o'clock is, we start early. We start about 9 o'clock. You can join the class. But 10 o'clock is after the black magic removal. We will remove all the dark energy and then we will do the allergy healing. So tell your friends, but they must read affirmations and forgiveness, madam. Sometimes it's all about the dark energy that surrounds them that causes all of those allergies. Okay, madam. Thank you very much. So nice to see your face finally after healing you for so many days, so many months.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, you don't know how happy I feel.
You know why she will ask a video call? I said no video calls. Zoom, you got no choice.
Actually, if I still remember the first call with you, I was asking for a video call. Sir, please see my pain. I wanted you to see where the areas of pain so that I get some solution. But again, I can't tell how happy I am. Inwardly, it's like I got my life back. Thank you, sir. I don't want to cry because I don't want to spoil other person's energy and all. But I'm really wholeheartedly saying, I really got
very
my
good,
life
man.
back.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, sir. One follow-up question, sir. So because of this, I've not been having a very stable professional life. And right now, I'm in a job at a company. I'm right now.
Madam, do divine fire for your job, madam. There's no blocks now, okay?
Okay, sir, but I'm also in the process of applying outside. Will that also go well?
Just
sir?
do divine fire for the job, madam. Then the soul will take care of what is good for you. Don't worry about that, okay?
Okay, divine fire for the.
Say, my job is the job of divine fire. My job is a purity God. Then we'll decide whether you stay here or you move on. It all will happen automatically. Do not worry about it, okay?
Okay,
You
sir.
can't say, I want this, I want that. When you do the divine fire, you don't say. The divine fire will take care of everything, madam. But most important, there must be no block. Right now, there's no blocks in you. You're fine. Everything will work towards you. Whatever your soul needs. Okay, madam?
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank
So
you,
one
thank
last
you.
question, sir. One last question. My husband's father is a cancer survivor. My only concern is I don't know if my husband will also be affected by that.
No, madam, no energy for that. Start following the aura cleansing and do the right thing and it will not come, madam. Remember, all disease will come, madam, all disease will come in the energy body and slowly go to the physical body. So clean, keep your aura clean and you will be fine. Whether it's going to be cancer or anything, emotion and everything has to go first, okay?
I'm asking this for my husband, sir.
Yes, madam. I'm talking about the husband, madam. Do aura cleansing, eat a pingala, do the right thing, be happy, eat the right food. Cancer is not just one thing, madam. A lot of things are involved, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.